Yes, how are you? Yes, I am fine, and I hope all of you are fine. Yes, and enjoying the online classes. So, in the previous class, I have taught you about the education and health of Bangalore division, and also explained about the cultural resources of Bangalore division. Yes, so there are so many personalities are belonging to the Bangalore division. They are the Sir M. Vishwesvaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. Yes, so they got the Bharat Ratna award. Yes, and both they are belonging to Bangalore division. And also Sir C.V. Raman. Yes, he was Nobel winning physicist. Yes, and so Bangalore is also an important center of education. So there is a agriculture university in Bangalore, and there are so many private universities is also there. Yes, and among them in the Bangalore division, Siddhganga Matha, yes, that is a religious institution that provides food and education to thousands of students under the leadership of Sri Shivkumara Swamiji. Yes, but they are no more. Yes, because we have lost them. Yes, and one more matha is there, that is Adi Chinchanagiri Matha. Yes, so it was developed by Sri Balagangadhar Nath Matha. Yes, Balagangadhar Nath Swamiji. Yes, and still they are providing education in the field of basic and profession education. And also the contribution of Murugarajendra Matha and Sirigere Taralabaru Matha. It is very important Matha in the Bangalore division. And next, most of the district of this division have engineering colleges and medical colleges also. Yes. So among them, so let us see cultural resources. So Bangalore division, it is very rich culturally, as we know, and the chief architect of Karnataka integration movement is Kengal Hanumantayya. Yes, they are belonging from Bangalore division, and Vidhan Saudha was built by during his tenure. Yes, and also there are so many freedom fighters are there, like Kengal Hanumantayya is there, S. Nijilingappa is there. Yes, so let us see uniqueness of this division. Yes, so Bangalore division has 9 districts, as we know. Yes, and each district has its own significance. Yes, Ramnagara, it was established in 2007. Chikballapur also established in 2007, and Davanagere, that was established in 1997. And these are newly formed districts. Yes, so let us see Bangalore urban district. So Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka, yes, as we know, and all the headquarters or the head offices that is located in the Bangalore. Yes, and among them Vidhan Saudha, the administrative center of Karnataka state government, that is in Bangalore, and also the High Court of the state is also here. Yes, the High Court, where it is, that is in Bangalore. Yes, then tell me who is the Chief Justice of High Court. Yes, yes, you have to find out and reply me. Yes, so next, Lal Bagh. Yes, the High Court, this is the High Court of Karnataka, that is in Bangalore. And next one is Park, that is Lal Bagh. Yes, Lal Bagh and Kabban Park, that were established during the British rule, are also in Bangalore division. And also Nandi Hills. Yes, so Nandi Hills, you can observe, and this place is very important during the summer season. Yes, it is very cool in the summer season. Yes, and it is 50 kilometers from the Bangalore city. Yes, and also heavy public industries like HMT, BHEL are in Bangalore. Yes, what is HMT? Hindustan Machine Tools, and BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. These two industries are located in Bangalore. Yes, and also private industries like Infosys, Biocon, and other are also present there. Yes, and there are 4 talukas in this district. Yes, so in the Bangalore urban districts there are 4 talukas. They are Bangalore North, Bangalore East, and Bangalore South, and one more is Anekal. Yes, And also Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagarpalike. Yes, it oversees the administration of Bengaluru city. Yes, as Kalaburgi have Mahanagarpalike, like Bengaluru, it has also Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagarpalike, and that Mahanagarpalike, it oversees the administration of Bengaluru city. Yes, there are 198 wards in the Bengaluru. Yes, how many wards is there? There are 198 wards. Yes, and many scenic spots are there in this district. Yes, like Bannerghatta National Park is there. Yes, as we know, and I have also gave information about the Bannerghatta National Park. Yes, and a snake park is also present there in Bannerghatta National Park. So let us see next one, famous temples. Yes, so many temples like Someshwara temple of Olusuru, Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple, which belong to the period of Nada Prabhu Kempegowda's region. Yes, and also the Dabasavana temple, Dharmaraya Swami temple, and Kote Venkatramana temples are the most important ones. Yes, there are so many important temples. Among them, Someshwara temple of Olusuru, it is very important temple in the Bengaluru urban district. Yes, so and also the temple that are belonging to the period of Nada Prabhu Kempegowda's region. Yes, and also Dodda Basavana temple is also famous, Dharmaraya Swami temple is also famous, and so many temples are very important in the Bengaluru. And there are many churches which are more than century old. Yes, so St. Andrew's Church. Yes, so this is Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. Yes, next one is the St. Andrew's Church. Yes, and also St. Joseph Church are a few to name. Yes, and similarly many masjid that are sacred to Muslim are also there. Yes, and Sangin Jamia Masjid is also there. Jamia Masjid and Jamia Masjid are very important masjids in the Bengaluru urban district. And also Qadriya Masjid. Yes, it was built recently in 1981, and Bilal Masjid was built on Bannerghatta Road in 2015. Yes, you can see that picture of Bilal Masjid, that is in Bannerghatta Road, and it was built in 2015. Yes, so next one is the famous churches of Bengaluru city. Yes, so St. Mary's Basilica and St. Mark's Cathedral, Infant Jesus Church, and St. Francis Xavier Cathedral Church. These are the some important churches of Bengaluru city. And also Bengaluru rural district. So let us see Bengaluru rural district. So this district came into existence in 1986. Yes, it was formed in the year 1986, and there are 4 talukas in this district. Yes, how many talukas are there? There are 4 talukas. They are Nelamangala, Doddaballapur, Devanahalli, and Hosakote. Yes, these are the 4 talukas that belong to Bengaluru rural district. Yes, so Shivagange in Nelamangala taluka, it is a famous place. Yes, and also Kempegowda International Airport is in Devanahalli. Yes, and Kempegowda International Port, it is the first green airport in the India. Yes, what is green airport? That is, they are not using any paper. Yes, that is the all the formalities, that is tickets and so many documents that are in the cell phone or the electronic media. They are using electronic media. Yes, they are not providing any pages. Yes, so that's why it known as green airport. Yes, they are using less paper. Yes, they are not using paper in any transactions. Okay, so this is all about that is Bengaluru urban district and the Bengaluru rural district. Yes, so Bengaluru, as you know, once again I will repeat it. So Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Yes, as we know, and there are 30 districts in 30 districts in Karnataka. Yes, and Vidhan Soudha, that is the administrative center of Karnataka, that is located in the Bengaluru, and also the Suvarna Soudha, that is located in where? Belgaum. Yes. So Vidhan Soda, that is in Bengaluru, and Suvarna Soda, that is in Belgaum. Yes. And the High Court of the state, that is located in Bengaluru. Yes. And next, that is who is the Chief Justice of High Court? That is Abhay Srinivas Okha. He is the Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka. Okay. And next, Lal Bagh and the Kabban Park, they are also established in the British time, that are in Bengaluru. And also the hills, the hilly area, that is Nandi Hills. It is very important place in the summer season because the climate is very cold in that time. Yes. And that is 50 km from the city center. Yes. And also heavy public industries like HMT, BHEL are also there. That is HMT means Hindustan Machine Tools, and BHEL Bharat Heavy Electronic Limited. Like private industries also there, like Infosys, it's belong to Narayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy, and Pycon Industries also it is in Bengaluru. Yes. And there are 4 talukas. Yes, Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East, and Anekal. Yes, Anekal and Doddaballapur are important for, I have told already you. Yes, yes, remember Anekal and Doddaballapur. It is famous for IPL parks. Yes, it is ready-made cloths are made there. Yes. And also Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagarpalika is there, and that took the administration of Bengaluru. Yes. And the many scenic spots are also there in Bengaluru, and Bannerghatta National Park is in Bengaluru, as we know. Yes. And the famous temples like Someshwara Temple of Ulsur is there, Kavi Gangadhareshwara Temple is also there, and that belongs to the Nad Prabhu Kempegowda's region. Among them, and also Doddabasavana Temple, Dharmaraya Swami Temple, and Kote Venkatramana Temple are the most important ones. Yes. And like the churches, that is the St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph Church are the important. Yes. So Masjid is also important. Among them the Bilal Masjid, which was built on the Bannerghatta Road in the 2015. So this is all about Bengaluru urban district and the Bengaluru rural district. Yes, Bengaluru rural district, it came into existence in the 1986, and there are 4 talukas, namely Nelamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli, and Hosakote. Yes. So in Bengaluru rural district, Shivagange, it is an important religious place, and also Kempegowda International Airport, that is in Devanahalli. Yes. So this is all about Bengaluru urban district and the Bengaluru rural district. Yes, there is one video that related to the Bengaluru's. Some places are also included in that video. Watch that video, and thank you. Be safe. Okay, thank you.